Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to integrate this dash progress bar inside your React.js application. If I refresh here, you will see basically there will be 40 bars out there. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. You can customize this basically. You can also have more bars out there. So let's suppose I change this to, I have 50 bars out there. I can even change it to 100 here. So now it will have more bars out there. You will see that this will be 10, 20, 30. So you can have this animation out there, guys. You will see that basically we can customize this code here. I can say here 100. So we just need to refresh here. You will see that you have seen this animation in very much this circular dash progress bar. You have seen this animation on many websites here. So this you can have a progress bar while you allow the user to download a file. Basically you can show the users this awesome little progress bar. So this will also increase the bounce rate, decrease the bounce rate and increase the engagement. And the library, guys, we are using to have this, I have given all the source code in the description of the video. So you can just copy paste all the source code. So if you go to npmjs.com and just type here React dash progress, this is the very first library which comes here, and it basically has around 94 weekly downloads, and I have given all the source code, guys, in the description. So now let me start. So inside your React.js project, just execute this command npm I react dashed progress. So after you install it, you can simply start your application by npm start. So now I will show you guys how to basically import this library. So the very first thing you will do, guys, we will have the app component, which is export function default app. So now you can see that basically we have hello world printed out. So now in order to basically do this, guys, it's very simple. Instead of this, we need to simply use dash progress. So for this, we just need to import this at the very top. Dashed progress from React dash progress. So now we can use this directive dashed progress. So if you don't pass any sort of options, guys, basically this is, it looks out like this 0% out there. And here you can pass the attributes. First is you can pass percent. This is basically a numeric value. You can pass here 50%. So now it will have around, if you refresh. And also here you also need to pass here the count bars. This is really important. I think this is not percent, this is value. So now you can see value is 50, and you basically count bars is simply how many count bars this symbols out there. So here you can have second parameter, which is count bars. This is also numeric value, and I think this we have 100, let's suppose. So now you can see at halfway stage you will see 50. You can customize this 25. You can see that you can change the count bars to, let's suppose, 46. You can see that, and it totally depends upon you guys how you want to do this. And now we can basically animate this. We can animate this circular dash progress bar by using some kind of hooks. So here we can simply track this by using a dynamic hook here, set value, and for this we will use useState, which will be automatically imported. Initial value will be 0, and now we will, instead of the static value, we will pass the dynamic one, which is value. So now this will be at 0% when we load the page. And after this, guys, we will use basically use effect hook. So once you load the page, this will automatically execute this hook. This is also imported from React. And here we can simply pass the value on which this is dependent. So every time the value changes, this will automatically trigger. So here we can basically have a set interval, and here you will have a slight delay of 1 second, 1000 millisecond. And here we can basically check if the value reaches 1000. In that case, we can reset, we can set the value to 0. In the else block, we can increase this set value to value plus 10. That's all. This is basically the animation code, guys. So now if you just refresh, you will see 10, 20, 30, 40. You can see that this is basically a lot of bars is there. That's why it is taking a lot of time. It is around about 1000 bars. So now if I change this to, let's suppose 100, and here also 100, you can see. So in this case, guys, you can animate this circular dashed progress bar. So once it reaches 100%, it will reset to 0, and once again it will run once again. So in this way, guys, you can just animate this. So this is basically the library, guys. So all the source code is given in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching this video.